is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're at the track, and this time it's not with the Speed 6, it's with Corey's Vette. As you guys know, this thing just got some work done to it. New converter, got rid of the stock converter, and we also put a nitrous kit on it, but tonight we won't be actually running with the nitrous. He's actually gonna try to see how fast he can run in the 8th mile, dial his short track in with the new converter before we smack it with nitrous. So we're hoping to see low 7s, maybe a 7 flat with the converter only. This is a cammed out LS2, very basic bolt-ons. So we're gonna get teched in here and get into the staging lanes. It's fairly empty in here tonight, so we should get a lot of good runs in. The weather is great, it's nice and cool. What would you say, about 60s?
It's probably mid-60s.
Mid-60s, DA's probably super low. So this is optimal track weather. So we're gonna get teched in, get everything straight, and we'll see you guys on the track. So first run was what, 770?
780, I want to say.
I think it was 7.7.
Okay.
And then the second run was 7.6, right?
7.6.
Okay, what's your mile an hour right now?
93, 94.
Okay. So what, drop tire pressure a little bit?
Yep, I'm just, you can feel it just spinning right off the line. It's letting loose.
Yeah.
Best 60 foot's a 181, which is on drag radials.
Should be better. I noticed you're getting out of the hole like a little soft, so
yeah.
There's track's definitely not all the way there.
No,
so
it's not. It's not.
It's a little cooler tonight too, so I don't know if that's having to play with it, but hopefully it gets a little warm.
I gotta drop tire pressure. I don't even know where I'm at.
Yeah, we'll drop it and then we'll get back at it.
Yeah. Donezo.
Good night though.
Yeah. Unlimited runs.
Perfect weather for it.
Unlimited runs.
Yeah.
Hot lapping.
was better. That's your best run yet, right?
740.
740. What was mile? Let me see that time slip. So you were right lane. So 1.660 foot, 744 at 93 mile an hour.
Yeah,
you're hooking better and better each time. I think that tire pressure helped.
It did. It feels like there's a little bit of a hiccup in the top of second gear, though. I can feel it kind of bog and then take back off. So I'm gonna try using the paddle shifter, see if it helps.
See if it helps at all?
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of, the first 2 runs, it like, as soon as it shifted, it like bogged real bad. So I think that's where you picked up the extra like 3 tenths from the last one, because you ran a 7.8 the last one, but we'll give it another go around, buddy.
Yeah, 744. I mean,
you'll get it. Hey, that's a new personal best, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Guys, we got a huge rain cloud over us right now, so I hope it holds off to get a few more runs. We got promising look on the horizon, but this massive cloud over us, it's kind of here and there sprinkles right now, but we got some people lined up. Corey's in line right here, and we're just kind of waiting to see if it's gonna hold off. I don't know why they're not running them right now. It's not raining currently, but we'll see. There you go, another personal best, dude.
Slowly getting there.
Yeah, buddy. Let me see. Right lane?
Yeah.
1.660 foot and a 732 at 94. Dude, it's cutting down quick.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can tell it's leaving harder.
It is. You know what I figured out too is rather than stalling it up to, I don't know, 25, 2600, wherever I was, and just mashing it and just flashing it right off the line, it leaves way harder.
Way harder.
Way harder.
Okay, that works. Hopefully, it looks like it's clearing up now, so we get some couple more runs.
Yeah, for
That'd be sick, dude. You're inching them down. And dude, imagine now with the nitrous. Dude, if you're doing 1.73s right now with a marginal track, I mean, when nitrous is in there, I mean, you're in 6s all day.
Oh yeah, I should be half a second at the worst on a 100 shot.
And
I think,
if not, low 6s.
Yeah.
So we'll see what we can crack out before the end of the season. But you guys are gonna have to wait and check back on the channel, because the next time you see this thing running, it's gonna have 100 to 150 shot of nitrous on it. We'll start messing around with that, so stay tuned on that. All right, guys, that's gonna close it out for the night. We had a blast, got some good runs in, some solid data. Now we're ready to fill the nitrous bottle and send it on this thing. I mean, we're running low 7s right now. Imagine what it's gonna be like on nitrous. I mean, this thing is gonna move out. Don't miss next episode. We got some crazy stuff happening on the Speed 6, and I'm telling you guys, it's about to get nuts, and in a very short time frame as well. So definitely make sure you're subscribed. Slam that notification bell so you get notified when we post new videos. We got a lot coming, and it's gonna be awesome. Definitely stay tuned. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Peace.